Documentaries, comprehensive on-site installation engineering of rubber machinery in Africa. Zhanjiang Weida Machinery Industry Co. Limited. Established in 2004, a diversified company integrating R&D, design, manufacturing, sales and after-sales services. Specializing in the production and provision of complete natural rubber, processing production lines, customized pre-sales design solutions, professional post-sales installation guidance services that cater to the needs of different clients. With outstanding technology and quality products, we offer more than just equipment. We provide comprehensive one-stop service support from installation and commissioning to daily maintenance and troubleshooting. No matter where you are, our professional team will respond promptly to ensure reliable service guarantees, ensuring the stable operation of your equipment. Quality bears witness to brilliance, and technology paves the way for the future. With 2 decades of dedication, Zhanjiang Weida is worthy of your trust.
Zhanjiang Weida, creating endless possibilities.